Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cassie. So in today's video, as you guys can already tell, yes, I'll be showing you guys how I make my pork rib. No, this is not keto friendly, but portion and eating in moderation, you can still have your keto diet. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. First thing first, what I'll do to start off, we're just going to be seasoning our rib. So I'll first go in using my salt, which is my kosher salt, which is keto friendly. Now next, I'm using my Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. To give it that little smoke flavor, as you can see, I'm using my Mrs. Dash for steak. Now to add just a little spice, I'm going in with my Creole seasoning. To add in some more flavor, I'm using my total seasoning. Now your ribs won't taste good if you don't add this roasted garlic seasoning. Now y'all know in my household we love hot stuff, so I'm adding some chili powder. Yes, more hot stuff, adding paprika. Now once you are done adding all of your seasonings, you don't have to add all the seasoning that I add. You just go ahead with your hands or however you want to do it and rub all that seasoning into the meat. So all the meat is all that seasoning is basically, drenched inside the meat and everything. So make sure you press the seasoning inside the meat so everything just getting well, seasoned and stuff. As you see, I'm about to flip it over and do the same side as I did the front. So before putting our ribs under the oven, you go ahead and take aluminum foil and place it over your rib, whether it's big or small, and try to at least cover it. You're gonna see how I'm doing it so you can get a better picture of how you're supposed to cover it, but basically just kind of trying to suffocate it, if you understand what I mean. Now you could go ahead and place the rib in the oven. Make sure you place it in the lower bottom how I have it. After a good 2 hours of your rib basically baking under, it should look exactly like this. At this time, go ahead and put your dressing, whatever dressing you like, whether it's barbecue or barbecue honey mix or however, whatever sauce you want to place on it. Just go ahead at this time and dress your ribs up. The sauce I'll be using is sweet honey. This is one of them. And this Kettle's Man barbecue sauce, Tangy Gold, what I'll be using. After your 30 to 45 minutes, this is exactly how your ribs should be looking. You could go ahead at this time and, slice them up or however you want to eat them. Eat them with whatever side that you are comfortable eating it with. But this is it.